Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 4.6, learn to paste to the Office Clipboard or any document in minutes. This is very straightforward. You have a lot of options when it comes to copying and pasting information. Microsoft Excel will suggest you using the clipboard. I believe in simply using a copy paste. That way it's one less step in copying information. Let's get started here. To control what is copied into the destination range, choose Home Clipboard Paste and use the drop-down menu shown in figure 4.10. When you hover your mouse pointer over an icon, you'll see a preview of the pasted information in the destination range. Click the icon to use the selected paste option. What this means is end up here at the home and the clipboard. You have options. You can click the down arrow. You can go to the clipboard. Any data you have stored within the clipboard is found under this clipboard section. Otherwise, close it. I focus on the copy paste and all of the variations of the copy paste. If you look over here under the right, there's an icon that shows paste special. The way you find that is you right click, you go to paste options. We're not pasting anything. We'll hit copy, right click, and then you see paste options. Hit paste special, a dialog box shows up. Let's go over a few of these. As I move over to the description, we'll lose this play box. That's why behind it. Close the dialog box. The paste feature pastes the cells, contents, formulas, formats, data validation from the Windows clipboard. In other words, you don't need to use the clipboard. You can just copy directly. So we'll use the ABC feature, right click, copy, move over to row G3, right click, and you're going to see these different ridiculous looking icons, and they really are. Move over, right click, and you're going to see there's no paste feature here. Hit Ctrl+V. What happened is we broke this cycle. We have the active cell, and you can see they call it these marching ants. It's an active cell. It's waiting for you to do something. So again, right click, copy, move over wherever you want to paste it, right click, and you're going to see these various icons. And unless you know exactly what they mean, you're sort of in a guessing game. In the past, in the real days of Excel, this was displayed in common English, but Excel being Excel, you have to learn what these icons mean. This is your paste special. You just click it and there your information is copied over. You can also hit this control feature. And again, it's a guessing game. The interpretation literally is in this dialog box. If you hit the formula, it would copy the formula. If you copy formulas in number formatting, I'll give you an example, equals 1 plus 1. Here you have a formula. You can copy just the value, which is the 1 plus 1. You can copy the formula. You can copy the formula and value. Right click, copy, paste, and the 1, 2, 3 would be the values. The formulas, you can transpose, you can format it, paste a link. So here, go copy, we want the formula. Now we have 1 plus 1. Another way is just hit Ctrl+C, hit Ctrl+V, and you accomplish the same feature. Formulas, paste formulas, but not formatting. Formulas and number formatting. Paste formulas and number formatting only. Keep source formatting. Paste formulas and all formatting. No border. Paste everything except borders that appeared in the source range. Now again, you just have to go, these are not in alphabetical order. Go through and you can check whatever format you want. Keep source column widths. Paste formulas and duplicates the column width of the copied cell. Transpose. Change the orientation of the copied range. Rows become columns and columns become rows. We'll see that shortly in section 4.9. Any formulas in the copied range are adjusted so that they work properly when transposed. Merge conditional formatting. The G is a shortcut. If you notice, there's a underline, and those are shortcuts. The letters indicate sort of a shortcut. It's quicker to right click, copy, right click to the destination, and you can see the different options. If it's formulas, you can hit F and it's just going to highlight that particular indicator. Hit F and hit enter. You're copying the same thing, but it's quicker to go copy and then hit Ctrl+V to copy the formula and the value. Values, paste the results of formulas. The destination for the copy can be a new range or the original range. In the latter case, Excel replaces the original formulas with the current values. Values and number formatting, paste the results of formulas plus the number formatting. Values and source formatting, paste the results of the formula plus all formatting. Paste only the formatting of the source range. Paste link creates the formulas in the destination range that refer to the cells in the copied range. Picture, paste the copy information as a picture. Link picture, paste the copied information as a live picture that is updated if the source range is changed. And paste special displays the paste special dialog box described in the next section. Let's take a look now at when you copy information. You can always go back to the clipboard. So go up to Home, and under Clipboard, hit the down arrow. On the left, now you see a clipboard, and here are all of the changes we made in the last session. You can grab this information, you can delete it, you can paste it, you can do whatever you want. It's sort of just a hierarchy, it's a history of your activity, and you can clear it, you can paste it all, you have options. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thanks for watching.